guys. My name is Laura Shield. I live in Lincoln, Illinois. I just moved up here from another place down south. So probably be moving closer north from here on out. Um, I just got a position at a prison over probably an hour away. Um, and I hopefully we can discuss what the religious beliefs they have in place. Um, to me, that is a very important piece of everything. I believe everybody has their own the spirituality that they need, and I really wish that they would really hold on to that piece. Um, in my field, I don't really have anything to do with anything regarding religious beliefs, but I also am not afraid to share my story. In December 11th, 2012, I had a major stroke at a basketball game for my son. Um, in that, I was always afraid of dying, didn't know what to expect, that kind of thing. But in that moment, I saw the most beautiful white light I can't even describe to you. And I heard a voice talking to me. And I just wanted to go. I mean, my son is there. He's trying to get me to talk. And all I could think of is, I need to go with that person in the sky. And that really made a huge point in my life. I'm not scared to talk about death now. I'm not scared to talk about people being so scared and so fearful, because I want them to listen to my story and know that my spirituality is very, very, very important part of it. This is the reason I'm a social worker now. I did a lot of things that I couldn't read, and I did a lot of videos and things like that because of the stroke, but I made it. God wanted me here. So I just can't wait to hear what your stories are about your spirituality and things like that, because I think that's a huge piece to everybody's puzzle. So thank you so much, and I will talk to you soon.